Take our lead, let's help you make your mark. Our goal is your satisfaction. Let us show you the way.
Creating a custom world file. Create a ROS package with the convention myrobot_gazebo. Within this package, create a launch folder. Within the launch folder, create a YOUROBOT launch file with the following contents, default arguments excluded.
Take our lead.
After many long years, Gazebo has finally been ported to Windows. Communication between Windows, Linux, and Mac is also supported. The video below demonstrates Gazebo running in Windows on a virtual machine.
Take our lead.
Install Gazebo using Ubuntu packages. Install Gazebo. Sudo apt-get update sudo apt-get install Gazebo 5 hashtag for developers that work on top of Gazebo. 1 extra package sudo apt-get install libgazebo 5 dev. Check your installation. Note the first time Gazebo is executed requires the download of some models and it could take some time. Please be patient. Gazebo.
Take our lead.
Gazebos are freestanding or attached to a garden wall, roofed, and open on all sides. They provide shade, shelter from rain and a place to rest, while acting as an ornamental feature. Some gazebos in public parks are large enough to serve as a bandstand.
Make your mark, take our lead.
Using a plugin. Once you have a plugin compiled as a shared library, see above, you can attach it to a world or model in an SDF file. See SDF documentation for more info. On startup, Gazebo parses the SDF file, locates the plugin, and loads the code.
Let's help you make your mark.
Gazebo is the actual real-world physics simulator that you will set up a world and simulate your robot moving around. RVIZ is the visualization software that will allow you to view that gazebo data, if you are simulating, or real-world data, if you are not using Gazebo, but a real robot.
Thank you for watching. Please subscribe and hit the bell notification.